Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Creative Engineering. I'm your king, Signilla Ice. For those who are my subjects and my visitors, welcome. Let's get started. Hey everyone, it's great to be back on this episode of Creative Engineering. Today I want to start by building a castle, but I'm going to need I'm going to need my schematic cannon to do that. Let's see if I can even craft it. Nope, we're going to need a dispenser, which I can do like that. Perfect. Just do that. Let's see, schematic cannon. Yep, we can make it. Excellent. We're going to need a schematic table. And I think I'll need some blank schematics and empty schematics, I think. So, let's see. Whip up. I think I just need some more light blue. Whip up 10. You never know if you're going to need more of that. But I know I'm going to need at least 4 empty schematics, maybe more. I know I'm also going to need some slabs. I want to do treated slabs, so there's two recipes for them. Because I want to make a drawbridge out of them. I don't know, so I'm gonna make 60 of them, just to be on the safe side. I mean, pretty soon we'll be. I'll meet you there. Okay, I don't need this train track anymore, so throw that in storage. Okay, so I got a stack of these. Good. We'll need those. We're also going to need a mechanical bearing. I think that's the one I need. Or some sort of yeah, it's a mechanical bearing I need for the drawbridge, so we're also going to need create some sort of device, rotation device. I'm using a design I saw by Ubersway. So yeah, I'm also going to need a pump and drills and stuff for the moat itself. But I know I'm going to need a button, so okay. Let me see here. Oh, I'm going to need a clipboard, definitely, for the schematic cannon. We're going to need, let's see here, some sort of I know there's a thing. Is it a? I think it's some sort of. I don't know if it's rotation, some sort of rotation controller. Let's see here, rotation controller. I'm going to need a linked controller, definitely, to be able to control the thing from an outside. Plus I'll need a button to control it, and we're going to need, I'm going to need a linked, link, redstone link. To set it up. probably some sort of no, some sort of I know it's in Create that I'm looking for. Or maybe it's like some sort of, I don't think it's the gear shift, but something. I know we're going to need the hose pulley to like fill up the moat. Oh, sequence gear shift. That's what I need. A sequence gear shift. Yes. Okay, so I need an electron tube to make a sequence gear shift. There we go. Sequence gear shift. We're also going to need some shafts. And probably a motor of some sort. We'll make the basic motor, because we don't need it to be that fast. Actually, the starter motor should do just fine. So I'll craft that. We're also going to need the omnidirectional thingy to supply power from here. And some cables. Oh, do I got any cables in my backpack? Let me check first. No, I do not, but we will be needing the super glue. Okay, so we're going to be needing some cables. There we go, and an energy exporter, I think, to put the power out, to power the motor. And, of course, a card. Plenty of. And that should be everything I need. At least for now. I'll probably come back for more stuff. Probably wanted to skip it. 42. I'm pretty confident you can do it like... That's perfect. And of course we're going to have to change this to the road, to whatever road I want to do. But overall, I think that's good. And after I'm building this, I'm going to use the inside of here, which is hollow, to house the gate. Part that lower raising the drawbridge. Well, I think I'm going to have one back. honestly, I'm gonna keep using the schematic cannon to build the rest of the castle. I'm planning to make it rather big at like 7 blocks, 7 by 7. I don't know if I centered this right here. Probably didn't, but yeah. Roughly 7 by 7, so roughly 112 by 112. Because I want a center keep in the middle of 16 by 16. Honestly, I might do most of the build off camera because just the way it's going to do. Although I want to show you how I'm planning to also build the moat. I'm planning to use Create to do that too. So I forgot that I made these walls. This wall so bloody tall. It's going to be quite the imposing sight, I think, by the time it's done. But hey, for our final project for this series, a castle and all it entails. Yeah, right now they're like hung in the air, but I know they got blocks on top of them, so yeah. I think it doesn't fire in the stairs and stuff, the ladders and stuff, until ladders and lights until like the end. But I did just do trapdoors and copycat panels. It's an interesting thing, but hey, I'm not gonna complain if it works. And this is the gatehouse anyways. It's supposed to be a bit intimidating anyways. Let's watch from back here as it gets built. On me. Brick, that would be so useful right now. I could have like flown up there and shown you what it looks like being from up there. I think now it's adding the ladders and stuff. Yep, ladders and torches it's adding. Ding! Let's make sure. Yep, door, ladder. Honestly, I should probably add maybe some sort of hole down there to make it look better, and maybe add some iron bars. Yeah, gatehouse. It's done, and unlike the other side of the gatehouse, there is no door, so this like acts like some sort of, I don't know, maybe a dungeon. Could act like a dungeon. But yeah, this is like one of the ways you get up to there. And I'm going to be using this and here, so like this corner, I think, with a bit of, oh, maybe back here, to be on the safe side. Yeah, right here is where I'm going to be placing the power, which is this. I'm going to have to set it to like the correct thing, but I'd like to thank Ubersway for the for showing me how to do this. Of course, I'm slightly modifying his design so it worked with me. But I'm using ideas that he came up with. Okay, I'm going to be super gluing this together. This drawbridge. That's the only thing that's going to be super glued here. And I want to set that, but I want to make sure that I got this running right. And the way I'm going to be running it is via the sequence gear shift and the motor. I wanted to turn. First, I want to see if 80 degrees forwards is correct. If not, I've got to adjust it. I want to switch it to only place one anchor destroyed to be on the safe side. If not, if it's the wrong way, I'll just change it. Okay, and the way I'm going to be doing this is power. I'm going to place the power, export power there, and I can do cable. We're going to do card, and then on top of that, I'm going to place the omnidirectional controller, which should allow this to have power. This will only work though is if I place a button. So for now, I'm going to be placing a button here to act as temporary. Ooh, perfect! It worked. Good. But now I want it to be reversed. And then we're going to delay, let's say 20 seconds, and then we're going to go turn by angle, that way, 80 degrees. So let's see, will this work? Gotta wait. I'll see 20 seconds may be a bit too long. But yes, it is working. Perfect. Good, which means I can put the deep slate bricks back and I can swap out this button now for a linked controller. For a redstone repeater, a redstone link in receive mode. I'm going to set it as treated wood slab for the thing. And then in the linked controller, I'm going to set the thing again. There. Perfect. Now, of course, I'm going to be replacing these blocks with something better. And, of course, I'll be digging this out, this area here. But I don't want to use about setting up a drill system for this. Obviously, I'm going to have to dig my way out of here, but also now I need to break the schematic cannon. Yes, that works. Okay, so honestly, it's not the best system to get into the castle, but it beats any system I have right now. I'm thinking I use deep slate bricks to match that, maybe? I mean, it's going to take a lot of them to... But it looks better than... I think it'll look better than, say, a standard dirt. And for how I'm going to make this look, I'm thinking... Ooh. I'm thinking I use a drill system. Sleep. Like, I'm gonna set up a minecart thing to dig this all out. Maybe, or I guess we're going long enough. I think I'll show you that next episode. Because, well, I need to have the walls built before I can actually dig out where I want that to go. But let's test this one more time to make sure this works, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect. And then we go across. There. Perfect. So I should have a button in here to control it. But I can't have a button in here, so I can control it from the inside, but it's minor. And I set it up long enough that it doesn't matter. And it hides nice and neat. And this looks nice. Looks nice, I think. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it. I mean, there's other schematics that I'll need to do too, like the walls I'll have to set up, and the towers. Towers you have to rotate, because there's like one tower design, but you're gonna have to rotate it so it fits for each corner. And you might have to fill in small gaps, but schematic cannon is the way you want to go if you want to do a really big build like this. Anyways, folks, that's how you use the schematic cannon. I'll be using this. I'll use the schematic cannon to finish off the rest of the castle. And next time when you come back, I'll show you. We'll have a complete castle so we can build the keep. But that's until next time, folks. My name is Ice, and I'll see you next time. Farewell.